Hello and welcome back to Viya Constructions. Today we'll see the home tour of a 4-bedroom 2,265 square feet house built in Kerala. This house uses a combination of sloped and flat roof elevation. The sloped roof element of the elevation has been done on the flat roof with purlin support. Pergolas with tempered glass has also been given as designer elements. Stone cladding has also been provided to enhance the aesthetics. A sliding type gate made of mild steel is used for this building. This design helps to utilize the available front yard effectively. The color of the gate matches well with that of the building. The combination of blue and white paint goes well with the brown color of the wood used for doors and windows. There is a wide sit-out leading to the house. Granite flooring is used in this space. Pergolas with tempered glass covering has also been provided as a designer element. The main door has been done in teakwood. From the sit-out you enter the formal living area. There is also a Pooja area set alongside the living area. The Pooja area is done as a separate niche carved out of the formal living area. The walls of the Pooja area have been highlighted by the use of black cladding stones. The formal living area is separated from the rest of the house with a wooden partition. From the formal living area, you reach a large family living cum dining area. This space has access to the rest of the house like the kitchen, the bedroom and the stairs to the first floor. A wash unit and storage space has also been provided under the staircase. The kitchen has been done in a semi-open format. There are no doors to the kitchen but just a large opening with a patterned grill window. The kitchen has been set in a modular fashion. Sufficient storage spaces under and over the counter have been provided. The staircase to the first floor is done in a double L shape. There is a window along the staircase wall that provides ample lighting to the living spaces. The handrails are done in teakwood with tempered glass panels. As you reach the first floor, there is a living area. A small sky roof with tempered glass is provided in this area. This allows maximum sunlight into the space. There are 4 bedrooms in this house, 1 in the ground floor and 3 in the first floor. All bedrooms have attached toilets and sufficient storage spaces. All bathroom fittings are from Cera. The upper living area opens out into a small balcony. Stone cladding tiles are used in the balcony walls. A large French window is also given. See you soon with another construction video. Thank you for watching.